Hey guys, I'm at the Freeport Armory and we are just finishing up inside some finishing touches for their grand opening on Tuesday night. You've seen many of the different things we've done. Here are the dimensional letters on the side of the building. Let's go take a look around the front now. And here on the side, on the Babylon Turnpike side, here are more dimensional letters over the front. And this is the post and panel sign we did just about 2 weeks ago. Let's go take a look inside. So that was all the interior graphics, and now you see in the gym, which is all redone, completely redone. Up on these walls, we have all the sponsor logos you saw about 2 months ago. Right before Christmas, we did those. We had the big lift in here to get up there to put all the sponsors' logos up there. Now we are throwing up one more over here. And then, of course, we have all the sponsors' logos in the different rooms. Let's go take a look at those. So that's it. That's all the work we've done inside the Freeport Armory. That's grand opening is on Tuesday. And when you come in here, take a look around at all the work. That's it, guys. Everybody, have a great weekend. Bye.